Okay, friend, there's a new AI tool that just dropped, and it's about to make your entire design process feel so much easier. I'm talking type one simple sentence and it builds out your shop visuals, your listing images, your branding assets, all without you having to manually build it out piece by piece. Now, I know that sounds like a big claim, but I tested it myself and I was honestly super impressed. So today I'm walking you through exactly how it works and how you can use it for your own business. And stick around to the end because I'm also sharing one additional feature that most people don't even know about yet that goes along with this AI tool to level it up. Okay, so the tool we're talking about today is Kittl's brand new Agentic AI. And here's the deal. This AI tool is different because instead of having to think through a long, detailed prompt to give it, you literally just tell it what you want in a few simple words like a t-shirt design or an Instagram story, and it automatically handles all the technical stuff behind the scenes, picking the right model, writing the full prompt, setting the right size, so you don't have to figure any of that out or waste a bunch of time on trial and error. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and walk you through 6 different examples of how you might use it as an online business owner. Let's get it. Okay, so to access this new Agentic AI feature, when you're in Kittl, you're going to come to the left where it says AI Hub. And here at the bottom, you'll see where you can switch to Agentic AI. Now, you can simply start by just typing in a few words that describe what you want it to create, or you can start with a reference image. So for the first example of a real life use case here, I want to show you how you could create a product seasonal campaign. This is going to be for my fictitious mug company. So I'm going to click this little plus button to upload my image. And I'm going to choose this mug mockup and click use image. And I'm just going to type in something super simple like create 4 variations of this product for a Christmas campaign. Then with Agentic AI selected, I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And it's going to bring me to my artboard where the AI is going to give me my 4 images. Okay, and here are the 4 different variations for my Christmas campaign using my mug, but placing it in 4 different Christmassy lifestyle scenes. So this is a super quick and easy way if you're a product-based business to come up with these types of images for your listings themselves or even to use on social media without even having to type out a full prompt or figure out what size these should be or the model. The Kittl Agentic AI literally figures all of that out for you. You saw how simple the phrase is that I typed in, and this is what it gave me on the first go. Super impressive. Now you can try the Agentic AI feature in Kittl totally for free. I've got the link for that in the description box below. And for a limited time, you can use the code Agentic and take 50% off any of their annual plans if you want an upgrade. Okay, let's jump into our next example, which is creating print-on-demand designs. If you're a print-on-demand seller and you're selling any kind of product like a t-shirt, sweatshirt, tote bag, mug, anything that you need a design for, this is going to be super helpful. So again, I don't have to think of a really detailed prompt here. I can just give it a simple phrase describing what I want. So I'm going to say a t-shirt design about coffee. If I wanted to take it to the next step, I could even say something like, give me 3 variations. Okay, it's given me these 3, so I could choose the one I want by downloading it. So let's say I like this one, and I can move right on to our next example, which is sort of the next step in this whole process for creating product listings, which is creating a specific product mockup. So like I said, I could either download this and start a fresh new chat, or I can just simply select the one I like, come down to the prompt box at the bottom, and you'll see that since I have this selected, it's already using it as my reference image here, so I don't even have to click the little plus button to upload a new image, although I could. So with this one selected, I'm going to say, place this image onto an adult white comfort colors t-shirt and submit. And here is the t-shirt mockup. So the cool thing about this is that Kittl's Agentic AI can put this on a specific product. You'll notice how I told it I wanted a comfort colors t-shirt, adult size, white. And if I zoom in here, you can see it's got it on not just any white t-shirt, but an actual Comfort Colors brand t-shirt, which is super important if you're selling products and you're using this for a listing image. You want it to be on your specific product. All right, so now we have our main mockup, but for our product listing, we probably want to have several different images showing off this product from different angles, maybe staged in different lifestyle scenarios. So with this one selected, it's going to use it as my reference image. I'm going to come down again to the prompt box, and with my mockup selected, I'm going to say, give me 4 images of this t-shirt in different scenes or angles. Okay, and these are the 4 new listing images it gave me. It put the t-shirt on a few models. It also gave me one of it folded up, looking at it from the top on a really pretty sort of deck background, and one of it hanging on a hanger in a really bright and airy scene. I could continue this process if I wanted to have more than 4, but these are the types of tasks that used to take us product sellers a long time to manually do with a graphic design software, and now we can get these kind of quality images in a matter of seconds. Okay, the next example case we're going to talk about is creating branding assets, and I've got 2 different sort of subcategories here. Number 1 is going to be creating a logo design. It doesn't matter what type of business business, company, or brand you have, you're going to need a logo, and Kittl's Agentic AI feature makes this so easy. So I'm going to come on and say something super simple like create 4 logos for a candle brand called SCC, keep it warm and minimalist. Okay, and these are the 4 logo designs it came up with our name SCC, incorporating candles or a flame in each one. So these are super creative. I love the different colors it used. So that's how I could quick and easy create a logo for my brand, but I could also create something like a product label. So keeping with my candle company example, I could say create 4 new labels for my 4 new candle scents, keep them on brand and using the same font, but change them each slightly to reflect the name of the scent. New scents are vanilla, pineapple, lavender, and apple cinnamon. Okay, let's see what it gives us here. Okay, so these are the 4 beautiful candle labels that it gave us, keeping the font the same across the board. Now, if I wanted to revise these a little bit, I could select one and say something like, give me the label designs again, give them all the same size, orientation, and outline shape. And here you can see now it's actually going into each individual one that it already gave me to regenerate it based on the revision instructions that I gave it. Okay, let's move on to the next example, which is creating social media posts. Again, no matter what type of brand or business you are, social media marketing is a huge help, and you can create content for social media quick and easy using this feature. So for the first example, I'm going to say create an Instagram carousel with 4 different images for this t-shirt. I'm going to use the mock-up of the t-shirt we created earlier as my reference image, so I can just click this little icon right here. If it's not already uploaded into my account, I can click here to find it, select it, and click use image. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Okay, so here are the 4 images it generated for us to use in our social media carousel. You'll see that it's given us a few really cute little mock-ups, but it's also given a couple with text on it, like this one that says Fuel Your Day, Coffee Co. It's got our little tagline here, a cute little coffee bean emblem, and this one, which gives several photos inside this one image talking about the material, the long-lasting print, the breathable cotton. So it's giving important and useful information that might be good for a social media post like this. Now let's come back to this one. Let's say we mostly like this, but we want to remove this little text in the bottom left corner. We can come to this tool on the right-hand side that says Edit Area. This is the feature I was talking about that most people don't know about yet because it's relatively new, but when we come here, we can use our selection brush to brush over the area that we want to edit. So that's this text right here. I'm just going to use it to brush over the text. You can change the size of your brush here by using this size slider to increase it or decrease it. I just went ahead and used it at 25. That was pretty good for my text area. And now in the bottom prompt box, I'm going to say remove this text. So we can see it's working. It's got our little area here that we had highlighted, and there it's completely removed that text and filled in that space with the same red color so it looks completely natural with this background. So that little edit area tool is very helpful if you like it for the most part, but you want to just edit or change 1 or 2 minor things. And I'm so glad that Kittl introduced this new feature as well. Okay, so we just created some images for a carousel, but we can also create a video using Kittl's Agentic AI. We might want to create something for social media with our t-shirt design showing maybe a model in a UGC or user-generated content style video. So with my t-shirt design uploaded as the reference image, I could say something like create a UGC video for this t-shirt. And here is the UGC video. I can click play, and it's the cute little shirt showing our design on it. It's got a great zoom in and out effect with the person behind holding it. So this is just a perfect little video I could use for social media to show this shirt off in a really creative way. So there you go, friend. You can use Kittl Agentic AI for so many different things for your online business, from creating the actual designs for your products to mock-up images, listing images, branding assets, social media content. I highly recommend you go on and try it out. You can try it for free using my link in the description box below. And don't forget about the code AGENTIC that'll give you 50% off any of their annual plans for a limited time. And I want to give a big thank you to Kittl for sponsoring this video. Happy designing.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't